How to create new document on Word app. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to create new document on Word. So first thing, go to Word app. This is the home page as you can see right here. Now go to the top corner right here and click on this plus icon. Now right here, choose the type of your document. If it is a newsletter or flyer or research, and click on it. And now right here, edit the document, and after you finish, click here and click save. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.